I've got my October Scentsy box, so if you want to see what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Clay and Bennett aren't hanging out with me tonight, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this month it's a little different, so I'm pretty curious as to what is inside my Scentsy box. So this is their Whiff box. It's monthly. I think it's like $24.95 a month, and you usually get at least 1 or 2 scent bricks, as well as some other different varied items. Sometimes they are specialty items that you can only get in this box. And that may be the scent. This says a hint of the holidays at your door. Okay, so we're going to have some holiday themed items. Let's see what is in store for us. Right on top, I see Christmas cookie scent brick. Oh, divine. Then we have a gingerbread cheesecake. Yum. And we have a frosted fantasy. That's different. I was expecting, it maybe has a little bit of a pine scent, but I can't tell what else I'll have to look up what that scent is, but it's very nice. Then we have some washer whiffs, and these are in, okay, some sort of vanilla. I can't really read it. Vanilla barnwood, maybe? I don't know. Ooh, that smells quite nice, though. So you just put these in like any other scent beads in your wash. And then we have so this is going to be a wall plug-in tart burner. Last year they had the cutest penguin one. And this year there's an adorable Santa Claus, so cute. And then in here is where your wax is going to go. I would definitely put a silicone mold in here. I do have some little short ones that will fit in here, because getting out of here is going to be so difficult, other than lightly warming it up, remembering to watch it, popping out, and then taking a paper towel and cleaning it up. But that is more than I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is put a little silicone mold, and you won't even see it because of the hat. So that's nice. And again, if you can find any of the little smaller than the cupcake ones, I got some when I got some bento boxes for my daughter's lunch, and they were like maybe this high by about that big, and they'll fit perfectly in here. If you can find something like that, that's really the best way to go, because they do pop right out. All right, that is my Scentsy Whiff box of some really great scents and an adorable tart burner. So, or brick burner, I guess, because they use bricks, not full tarts. Anyway, what was your favorite scent? Now, I know you didn't get to smell them, but are you a Christmas cookie or a gingerbread cookie person? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm more of a gingerbread person. I do like that nice smell of ginger cooking in like a bread or a cake or a cookie, but they were both great scents. I know you didn't get to smell them, but in general, Christmas cookie, like a sugar cookie or gingerbread. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.